So,
That you just touched on this. What are we doing as a company and as our teams to better ourselves for our customers? Do we, the internal training, the outside training?
yeah, I mean, I think,
We have a lot of strong partnerships with our vendors that makes that happen.
yeah, I mean, I think if you've been here a couple of minutes, you've heard me talk about training and the amount of, I would say, time and money and resources that we invest in training. And it's not just, again, it's not just account managers, right? It's application engineers, it's our engineering staff, it's our service team, not only bench service, but field service, right? It is critical for us that we're able to service what we sell. And so when you think about the way that we serve a market, each one of our branches has a service capability, has inventory local to the market, and also has field service capability, because we don't want to just be, your distributor of a product. We want to be a solutions provider, and that includes the over the life of that product or that solution. We're not only just selling it to you, but we're servicing it for the long term. And so, when you think about the investments that we make, we really reinvest monies right into all parts of of our organization, and that does come from a ton of our vendors. Right, we have vendor partners who also believe in training, and a better trained distributor partner is a better face to the customer. They
Absolutely.
understand that, and we believe wholeheartedly in that. So
Absolutely. And you touched on it there, but the progression of Air Power going from distributor to an overall solutions provider and integrator has there's been a massive amount of that shift in the last 5-6 years.
yeah, I think if you go back, I have this probably on a chart somewhere, but if you go back, I would say 6 to 7 years. The breakdown of our business, we talk about distributed product or box in, box out, right? You order a pump, we ship you a pump. We have a pump in stock, we ship it to you. We don't touch it other than you order a part number and we ship it to you. So that part of our business, 6 years ago was probably more of like an 85, maybe 85-15 mix as far as like solutions. And that number is much closer to 55 to 60%. Still a big portion of our business, what we call that run rate business.
Yep.
But the solutions part of our business is growing, leaps and bounds and double-digit trajectories, right? And we're investing in our company in different ways to support that.